Hi everyone, welcome to the Easy Learn channel. Today I want to show you how you can change the default installation location of the applications you download from the Microsoft Store. First, click on Start, click on Settings. Click on the System section. Go to the Storage section. Click on Change where new content is saved. Here you can change the storage location of new apps. I choose the D drive as the default storage location for apps. We click on Apply. You can also change the default storage location of new documents, new music, new photos and videos, new movies and TV shows. Well, I change the default storage location for new photos and videos to D drive. We click on Apply. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. By joining my Telegram channel, you can find out about my latest published videos. Thanks for watching this video.